This is our second lecture of Reservoir Engineering 1. In the previous lecture of Reservoir Engineering, we have discussed that what is reservoir engineering, what are the roles and responsibilities, two major roles and responsibilities of a reservoir engineer, and who is a reservoir engineer. We were discussing about recovery factor and we left our lecture on the definition of recovery factor. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the recovery factor in detail. So let's start the lecture. So what basically the recovery factor is? The recovery factor is the ratio between the volume of the recoverable hydrocarbons and the volume of total hydrocarbon present inside the reservoir. I told you in the lecture number 1 that the volume of hydrocarbons which are present inside the reservoir and the volume of hydrocarbon which are recoverable, these two volumes are two entirely different things. We cannot recover the 100% volume which is present inside the reservoir. And the volume of hydrocarbons which is recoverable is put in the denominator, and the total volume which is present inside the reservoir at initial condition when the reservoir is discovered is put in the denominator. And I told you in lecture number 1 that the total volume which is present inside the reservoir is also the responsibility of the calculation of total volume of hydrocarbons which are present inside the reservoir is also the responsibility of reservoir engineer. So let us move forward. I told you that the value of recovery factor can be between 0 and can range from 0 to 1. Usually for conventional reservoirs, the value of recovery factor is between 0 and 1. The value, you will never find a reservoir in which the recovery factor value is 0, and you will never find a reservoir in which the recovery factor is 1, because 0 is representing that no volume of hydrocarbon is recovered from this reservoir, and a reservoir who has which has the value of recovery factor 1 is basically representing that 100% volume of hydrocarbon is recovered. So basically there is no reservoir from which we can recover 100% volume, and usually we do not operate such reservoirs from which we can recover 0% or 0.1% hydrocarbons. So the value of recovery factor usually lies between 0 and 1. It is never 0 and never be 1, but it lies between 0 and 1 for conventional reservoirs. I told you that 100% volume of reservoir, 100% volume of hydrocarbon reservoir hydrocarbons is not recoverable. So there are multiple reasons that why this volume is not recoverable. Some of these reasons, I would like to share some of these reasons with you. So why it is impossible to recover 100% volume? Because of multiple reasons. Some of these reasons are mentioned here. The first reason is that the depletion rate of pressure. We know that with production, as we produce the hydrocarbon from the reservoir, the pressure continuously decrease. The pressure of the reservoir continuously decrease, and due to this this decrement in the pressure of reservoir, the recovery of hydrocarbons become more challenging technologically as well as economically. It will become more difficult to recover the hydrocarbons from a lower reservoir pressure by using the available technology and under the current economics. So the depletion rate of pressure is one of the reasons that we cannot recover 100% volume of the hydrocarbons. The second reason is the available technology. Obviously, the recovery of the hydrocarbons is also dependent on the available technology of the company. Let's suppose there are two companies, let's say company A and company B. There are two companies. The company A is more technologically advanced. Let's say the company A is technologically advanced, whereas the company B is technologically poor. This company does not have latest technology, or we can say enough technology to recover the hydrocarbons. So the company which is technologically advanced can obviously recover more hydrocarbons, and the company which has a poor technology is obviously is unable to recover more hydrocarbons. So we can say that the recovery of hydrocarbons is also the function of technology. It is also dependent on the technology available in the company. And the third reason is obviously the economics. We know that with the depletion rate of reservoir, it will become quite challenging to produce the hydrocarbons, and we have to invest more with the depletion rate of the reservoir. And so the economics is one of the most considerable reason while we are producing a reservoir. The last reason which I mentioned here is the reservoir engineering techniques. Basically, the bad reservoir engineering techniques contributes a lot to make a reservoir recovery poor. Because if a reservoir is not treated properly, or if a reservoir engineer is not an experienced engineer, so definitely he will apply the poor technologies, the poor mathematical principles on the reservoir, and it will ultimately damage the recovery of the hydrocarbon from that reservoir. So recovery of the hydrocarbon is also dependent on the reservoir engineering techniques. So the good and the optimized techniques should be applied on the reservoir to recover the hydrocarbons. Here, one thing which is clear is that the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons and the total volume which is present in the initial condition are two entirely different things. So, the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons, the hydrocarbon volume which can be recovered, is known as our reserve. So, we can define reserves as the volume of recoverable hydrocarbons are known as reserve, or we can say the volume of economically recoverable hydrocarbons are known as reserves. And the total volume of hydrocarbon which is initially present inside the reservoir is known as total initial in place. So recovery factor formula can also be rewrite as volume of reserves divided by volume of initial in place. So this is the modified formula of recovery factor. The recovery factor value can also be obtained in percentage. For obtaining the value in percentage, we just have to multiply this number by 100. So we will get our answer in percentage. Okay, thank you.